I'm going to explain to you what probate is, because probate is a concept that many people question, and you hear about it, you know, your neighbor is going through probate because somebody passed away and you probably want to know what it is. So probate is essentially the method where a judge through the court system will review your will, or if you don't have a will review the default rules in place in California to see who's going to get your assets when you pass away. The problem with probate is that it can be very time consuming. It can take a long time, maybe 18, even 24 months in California, and it can be really expensive. So probate fees are based on the value of your estate, and you're looking at about 4% of the fair market value. So if you're thinking about a family member or a loved one that's passed away and you're going to make sure those assets get to somebody, there's 4%, you know, right off the top that's going to go to some attorney. Well, you can avoid that process by putting a trust in place. A trust is a way that you can make sure that you designate who's going to get your assets when you're gone, who's going to make sure that those assets pass to the right person when you're gone, and do that while avoiding the court process. So that's something that you'd want to look into, make sure that you properly set up a trust through an attorney, and then make sure that your assets are actually in that trust. Because so many people will take the step of creating a trust, drafting it beautifully with their attorney, and making sure that every potential consequence is addressed. But then they have to take that next step and make sure their home is in it, make sure that their bank accounts are in it, and make sure that they follow through so that we'll do what they want to do. So probate can be just time-consuming court process that is easily avoidable if you just take the right steps.